Hey you guys, I'm gonna do a video about in this sniper rifle. A sniper rifle. Basically, when I get older, I'm gonna build I'm gonna build in sniper, which is build sniper rifle, which I might buy the bullets because that'll just be custom. I'll just keep myself. Like, I'm not gonna make a company and just But when I get 18, I'm gonna get a sniper rifle. I'm not gonna get one. I'm just gonna make my own one. Yeah, I will. I at least will buy the bullets. I guess. Yeah, I'll buy the bullets, and I'm gonna have a texture on gun. It might have an army symbol, it looks like a little army-ish on it. Yeah, the color is green and it looks a little army-ish, and we'll have this little circle thing that you can look in. You can look at it very close, so you can, if you're looking for a deer, or if I was in war, I would use that. So basically, in a future episode, it will be made. But it's gonna be the episode will be way long ago, like when I'm probably 18. So, guys, later, alligators.